Mastering English, Understanding, Not Focused. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to dive into the world of English phrases, focusing on not focused. This phrase is common, yet it can be tricky for English learners. So, let's unravel its meaning and usage together. Not focused refers to a lack of concentration or attention. It's often used to describe someone's mental state when they're distracted or not paying attention to what they should be. It implies a scatterbrain or absent-minded approach to tasks or situations. Here, we'll look at real-life examples of how not focused is used in daily conversations. For instance, he was not focused during the meeting, missing key points. Or, she's not focused on her studies lately. Understanding synonyms like distracted, scatterbrained, or absent-minded can enrich your vocabulary. We'll explore these and how they slightly differ from not focused. This section will clear up common confusions. Not focused is different from unfocused, a term more related to photography or visuals than to a person's state of mind. Here, we'll give practical tips to ensure you're using not focused appropriately in various contexts, be it formal or informal settings. Let's practice with interactive exercises. We'll have fill in the blanks, sentence creation, and mini dialogues to reinforce your learning. And that's a wrap on not focused. I hope this video has cleared up any confusion and added a useful phrase to your English repertoire. Keep practicing, and see you in our next lesson.